Then, I lied to him, saying I would go to the park with him, so I dumped Johnny.
Wow, so hurtful, right S.J.
Okay. Babe. I will come to the prom.
All right, Daisy, do you know the answer to 4 times 4?
Yes, it's 16.
You're correct. I'm so proud of you.
SJ, why didn't you come to the park with me like you promised?
I can't tell you, maybe at recess?
Don't tell me. I already know, Daisy told me.
She did what? I'm telling. Ms. Cream.
What is it?
Daisy told Johnny our secret.
Daisy, report to the office.
Okay, I will tell you everything. My quote-unquote friend told me she dumped and lied to Johnny, and I told Johnny all that.
Wow, why did you do that? To stop Johnny's relationship?
Don't worry, my friend started that. Actually, can you let me go?
No, she didn't, and you know it. Don't come back here in 8 months and you lost your school tag. Thank you, now get out.